Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick review of these gel knee pads from NoCry. I really like them a lot. Let me show you how I put them on. They're easy to do because when you open them up, they actually show you, hold on, which they'll actually have on there this side up, right? So I'm going to put that one on my right knee. And it's just Velcro, and it's really strong Velcro, so I really like that. And then I'll put on the left one. And I'm 58-year-old grandma, but I still do a lot of things. And you can probably see my dog here in the background. He's a ball nut, and he likes to roll his balls under all of our furniture. So I end up having to get up and down off the floor and get things out from under things quite often, which I'm not necessarily going to put these on every time, but because of all the other things that I do, I like having these gel pads to rely on. So let's see if I've got them in the right place. I hurt my right knee a few months ago, and oh my goodness, that is such a difference. Having that gel pad makes such a difference. I couldn't even do this without these pads. So I really like them. I think they're going to come in very handy with all my home improvement DIY projects that I've been putting off simply because I couldn't get down on my knees. So I think you'll like them too. Thanks for watching.